Hi, Ian Dixon here. How are you doing today? So, got a really easy one for you today. This has come literally from a coaching meeting that happened today, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to do a video and share this with you. So, and literally just 3 or 4 minutes. So it's a nice, short, concise, and snappy kind of idea. You know, it's a mindset business tip today. So this is how it goes. So I was sat with somebody this morning, and we were going through something that they're doing as part of a year activity, part of a year plan, and he was talking about how hard it is and how much is going on. And you know, what was going through my mind was actually the acknowledgement of the fact that it was tough and that there were things getting in the way. And one of the things I'll sometimes say is, look, you know, just show me on the goal on your list of goals where you've set out to do something that's easy. It's never meant to be easy. On the contrary, what we're trying to do is something that's hard, that's difficult. And if you're trying to change direction, or you're trying to speed up, and actually if you're trying to slow down, there needs to be something in place in order for that to happen. And without this, then even if you think some changes are happening, they probably aren't. And basically what I say to people is, you have to expect pain and look for friction. If you want to make changes in your business, if you want to make changes in your life, if you want to grow, if you want to expand, if you want to improve, these are all direction changes, and they are all changes in momentum. And no different to a car on a road with the tyres is that you wouldn't expect your car to change direction or speed up if there wasn't friction between the tyre and the tarmac. And it's a bit like that in business. So, you know, if you've been working in a certain way for so many years and you've got used to how that works, there isn't very much friction and there isn't very much pain. When you're looking to make changes in your life and in your business, you actually have to go seek out that friction and expect that pain. So that's really the core message, is that friction and pain are evidence that things are moving. They are evidence that things are changing direction, and that it's evidence of growth. And so rather than try and avoid it, embrace it. So, you know, without friction and without pain, there is really, you'll be struggling to change direction and to speed up or to slow down if that's your ultimate goal. So literally just 3-4 minutes. It's just as a result of a coaching session this morning. We were talking about how hard it was to get started. You know, at the time of this video being recorded, it's February 2020. And this is part of his year plan for this year, and it was about how tough and difficult it was to get started in this process. And it reminded me of my story about tyres on a road. So hope you found that useful. Just a nice simple mindset trick for business owners today. If you are somebody that is looking to grow, if you're looking for somebody that's looking to slow down, or you're looking to change direction or pace, look for pain and expect friction. Otherwise, the likelihood is you're not growing. So please do click on the subscribe button. We'd love to have you as part of the channel. Ding the bell if you'd like to be notified. Do put comments below. We always welcome your comments too. So many more videos to come in 2020. We look forward to catching up with you on the next video. Gonna say bye for now.